How to turn off Paramount Plus notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn off notifications for the Paramount Plus application. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to turn off notifications for Paramount Plus, all you have to do is open the settings application. And once you launch a settings app, you can simply go to this option here known as notifications. Once you go to notifications, you can try looking for Paramount Plus application here and then turn off the toggle just like that in order to turn off notifications for Paramount Plus. But in case you don't find it, then what you can try to do is just come back here and then you can simply go to this option called Siri and then look for the option called Siri Suggestions and tap on it. Under Siri Suggestions, what you want to do is from here on, you want to simply look for the Paramount Plus application inside the P section obviously. So when you look for Paramount Plus, select that and turn off the toggle and then notifications for Paramount Plus will get turned off. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.